In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to build with Gumloop, Project Ideas 2025. We'll walk through 10 practical automations you can build right away, what each one does, the core actions to set up, and when they shine in real workflows. Let's start with a smart form filling workflow. Open the target website and log in if it's required. Have Gumloop detect form fields, then map them to data from a spreadsheet or your CRM. Submit the form and save the confirmation for your records. This is perfect for client onboarding, lead intake, job applications, and even complex government forms. Next is a lead scraper synced to Google Sheets. Search the site or directory you care about, capture company names and contact details, clean the results with AI to normalize formats, save to Google Sheets, and deduplicate so you never double count. It's great for sales prospecting, real estate pipelines, and B2B research. Build a price and stock monitor to stay ahead of changes. Open the product page, extract the current price or availability, compare it with your previous data, and trigger an alert when something moves. Use it for e-commerce tracking, supplier updates, and timely deal alerts. Create an auto login and report downloader. Open the portal, securely enter your credentials, navigate to the reports page, download the file, then rename and store it in a consistent location. This is a lifesaver for finance dashboards, analytics, exports, and admin portals. Automate job applications based on your criteria. Search listings, filter by role or location, fill the application form, upload your resume, and submit. Use responsibly and follow each site's rules to avoid issues. Spin up an AI research assistant. Search your topic, open multiple trustworthy sources, extract key points, summarize with AI, and save the results. This helps with market research, competitor analysis, and content planning. For client onboarding automation, open the onboarding page, fill client details, upload required documents, confirm the submission, and notify your team so everyone stays aligned. Test your website like a real user, visit key pages, click critical buttons, submit forms, capture any errors, and report issues. Ideal for QA testing, audits, and UX checks. Collect social media content for trend tracking. Open the platform, search keywords, extract post metadata, save content links, and analyze what's gaining traction. Always follow platform rules. Finally, streamline internal admin tasks, log into your tools, update records, upload files, and send confirmations. This is perfect for HR systems, CRMs without APIs, and legacy software. By the end